I'm here today at 1309 Polk Avenue, Deltona, Florida. I'm just going to do a little virtual tour. This home has a newer roof, newer AC, the last few years. Windows, I believe, are 2022. There's a rain soft water softener. RV hookup, I believe there's a 50 amp RV hookup. Fenced backyard with plenty of room to park an RV through the gates into the backyard. So we're just going to do a little informal tour here. Alarm system here, of course. Walk in, we have the living area right here in front. Or a little dining area, excuse me, in the kitchen, main living area. Carpets are older here. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. I believe the appliances are newer. I have to check the notes on that, but I do believe so. Main living area. Tall ceilings. Take a look back at the kitchen there just to know your frame of reference. Okay, I'm going to take a look outside. Actually, I'll come back to the outside here in a few minutes. So let's, we're going to head down to the primary suite first. And primary suite's large. Quite large, actually. Has a private bath. Let's go take a look at that. Single vanity, large walk-in closet, and a water closet with a step-in shower is there. Let's head back and go look at bedrooms 2 and 3. This is what I'm calling bedroom 2. All right, let's go ahead around to bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is currently used as an office space. A decent sized bedroom here. Okay, now let's go wrap up our tour out the back side of the home. Again, 2022 windows, including the sliding glass door, so it's real smooth, pretty nice. Bones are solid as a rock on this thing. Gutters, large fenced backyard. May have already said that. If I did, I'll apologize. But you see, it's a large backyard, and thanks for watching.